Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, let's see how to create this machine part using Creo parametric. Before that, I'll show in the dimensions. You can see here, like, yeah, I have three images for this. I don't have any clear dimensions and explanation on these images, so I'm going to use this image also. Both are same, but here some of the dimensions are not available. It is available in this picture, so I'm going to use these two pictures to create this drawing. We'll start our session. For that, we need to select the working directory. We'll select this as a working directory for every video. So click on new and click the default template. Enter the file name as machine part. Then click on OK. Yeah, we don't want to use space here. And then I'm going to select the default template as MM part for ABS. Click on OK. So here we need to start our sketch by this side. So it will be my right side. You can take this as your front plane also. I'm going to use right plane for this. So go for sketch, go for the sketch view. Here, at first, we need to draw this circular part. So here you can't see the exact dimensions clearly. So I'm going to use this diagram. So here, inner circle has a diameter of 25, the outer circle has 50, and the extrude of 66. So let's draw these two concentric circles. Inner has 25, outer has 50. Then now let's extrude it. So here I am going to use symmetric extrude, and then I am going to enter the extrude value as 66. Then click on OK. Let's turn on the shading with edges part. So now let's move on for the next part. Now we need to create this bottom plane. So for that, the length is not mentioned in this diagram, so I'm going to use this another diagram for this. This total length is 75 plus 90, so it is 165 with the height of 16 here. And let's see what are all the dimensions provided in this diagram also. This radius value, it has been not mentioned in this diagram. It is radius value is 6. So that's all guys. Let's continue with this sketch. This length as 165, this length as 16. So I'm going to select this face, or else you can select this plane also. Go for sketch, go for the sketch view. Here, at first I'm going to drop a point here. We need to assign this length. Let's see in this diagram. As you can see, this midpoint till this bottom is 36. So let's assign this value as 36 first to assign our base plane length. Now I'm going to draw a line like this, and then let's assign the values 75, and from here till here it's a value of 90, and then let's draw a line like this where this height is 16. So then we have to convert a fillet here. For that we need to draw a line like this. So I'm going to draw a line up to this line, and then I'm going to complete this line. So now, as you can see in this diagram, they have provided the fillet value. In this diagram, the fillet value is a radius of 6 here. So we need to create a fillet here, and then we need to put the radius value as 6 here. So now this side has been completed. Now we have to convert this fillet and this line for the other side also. So I'm going to select these two lines. I'm going to mirror it towards this center line, and now I'm going to drag the line like this and complete the sketch. Now, as you can see, the red dots here, it is telling us like the sketch is not completed. We have to draw a line like this to complete the sketch. So go for project, select this circle, now close it. Now you can see the pink color. So our sketch has been completed. Now let's extrude it. Go for extrude, go for symmetric extrude, and let's see the dimensions which have been provided in the diagram. You can see from here till here it is 5, from here till here it is 5. So the total distance is 10. So we have to subtract this total value. So 56 minus 10 is equal to 56. So I'm going to add 56 here and then close it. So we have completed this circular part and this bottom plane also. So now we have to create this circular part here. Before that, we need to see the dimensions. As you can see here, they have provided the outer circle radius as 90, inner as 60, and the constructive circle as radius of 75. So 60, 75, and 90. So for this sketch, as you can see, this part as a plane which has been equal to this part. So we have to sketch this part like equal to this plane. Okay. So I'm going to select this face, go for a sketch, and go for the sketch view. So here I'm going to draw two circles. So the diameter value in that diagram they have provided the radius value of 60. So I'm going to convert it as diameter 120 and this has 90. So I'm going to enter a value of 180 here. So then these two circles are completed. Now I'm going to delete these unwanted segments. So the only part that we have needed is these two lines. And then let's go for constructive mode. And I'm going to draw a circle like this. So this radius value is 75 as mentioned in the diagram. So now let's draw the inner circles. These four circles, the distance is 30, 30, 30. The angle is 30. So let's see the diameter for the small circle. It is 12. So let's draw a circle here. Sorry, like we have drawn in this constructive mode. Turn off that. Let's go for draw a circle. Diameter is 12. Now I'm going to draw a center line like this as three center lines. Let's go for dimensions from here till here, angle of 30, from here till here, same 30, and for this also it should be same 30, where it meets the horizontal plane, as you can see. So now let's draw some more circles with the same equal constraints. So that's all. Now let's complete this outer circle. You can also use circle tool for this, or else you can use arc tool like 3-point tangent like this. Sorry, center and its ends like this for this also. So this sketch has been completed. Let's see if the other dimensions, like we have any missed dimensions here, so we have to add it. So like we have completed almost all our dimensions we have implemented here. So let's see the extrude length. It has 17. So let's go for extrude. Flip the direction. Enter a value of 17 here. Then click on OK. So now this part has completed. As you can see, we have to create a rib here and also a rib here, where this extrude length is same of 12 and 12. So we can use these two extrude in the same sketch itself. So this sketch is depend upon this face. So I'm going to select this face, and then this height is 27, radius 6, this length is 30. So I'm going to select this face, go for sketch, go for the sketch view. Here, at first I'm going to draw a line like this, and let's assign this height. As you can see, it is placed on the midpoint. So let's delete this midpoint, and I'm going to enter a value of 27 here. As you can see, this 27 is on the base plane itself. So I think we have given wrong dimensions here. Select this line and this plane, enter a value of 27 here, and then we have to see another dimensions also, 27, and you can see this curve is being part at the center of this circle. So I'm going to draw another line here like this. I'm going to join it. So try to use a single tool, like guys, if you are going to draw a line, draw a single line. Don't use two to three lines. So it will be very hard if you use the fillet tool here. So let's see, fillet this at a radius of 6 here. So that's all. This part is completed. So let's see what are all the dimensions that they have provided. So that's all. We need to complete this sketch. Close it. Let's project this line, this, this, and this. Close it. Let's draw a line from here to this midpoint. Now let's delete the unwanted segments. As you can see, this sketch is completed. So let's convert another rib for this part also. Let's go for the dimensions. As you can see, the distance is 30. Extrude part is 12. So I'm going to draw a line from this midpoint to tangent for the circle, and another line without any constraints from here to the circle. Let's assign this dimension from this line to this center line as a value of 15, and let's check whether this total value is 30 or not. As you can see, it is 30. So now let's complete this sketch by projecting it and then delete the unwanted segments. So that's all. We can extrude it. Click on OK. So here they have mentioned that the extrude length is of 12. So close it, flip the direction, drag like this, adjust this extrude length as a value of 12 as it meets this face, then click on OK. So almost we have completed our entire part except this hole on both the sides. So let's see what are all the dimensions that they have provided for that hole. The distance is 25, 25, and the diameter is 16. So close it, select this face, go for sketch and go for the sketch view. Here I'm going to draw a circle like this without any constraints. Let's assign this length as 25. Let's assign this diameter value as 16, and this length also 25. So go for dimensions, select this line, and it's of 25, and click on OK. Go for extrude, flip the direction up to next face. As it is on remove material, it's OK. Click on OK. Now you can see for this other circle they have not provided any kind of dimension. So it's nothing but we have to mirror this hole on the other side. So close it, select this extrude, go for mirror, Select this center plane and then click on OK. So that's all guys. Let's switch off all the data planes. Let's give some appearances for our part. Go for view, appearances. I'm going to give red color as I provide red color for all the machine parts videos in our channel. So then click on OK. So for these inner walls, you can provide green color. So it will be viewed separately by that color. You can segregate that. Click on OK. The same color for the circle also. So that's all guys. Finally we have completed this part as you can see here. So thanks for watching guys. If you want more videos related mechanical engineering or any other content, you can comment below. So thank you guys. We'll see you in next videos. Thank you.